Hello everyone, welcome to another daily analysis video. As we spoke about index management just two days ago in one of the videos, that is again before election. So usually we get to see index management, and so as you can see, like one day, yesterday those stocks which were down, they are up today, and vice versa. Like you can see that like Reliance, SBI, so they were down yesterday, now they are up, and like somehow the indexes are being managed, and like things are being kept positive. So anyways, it's good for investors, and there is one thing, there is very big question about the FIIs, so which we are going to talk about. And also please remember, tomorrow is an events day. It's the RBI's repo rate decision. It's going to happen at 10 a.m. So better not to trade before that, and also like be careful while trading tomorrow over the day. Anyways, like on this budget occasion, also we were expecting a rally, or everyone was expecting a rally, but nothing happened so far. So market consolidated. So it might happen, but what the data points are suggesting, we should also look at that. Coming down to today's analysis, so money flow played a major role. I have given all the updates, so I'll be quickly going over the updates. Talking about our trades, like my trades. So here in the morning, like 22,000 bought CE and closed that CE position almost at 11%. So bought at 11 and 112 and closed it at 125, 22,000 CE. And also did put writing and gain some profits as well there. So after that, like even these updates, I gave that 21,981, which was acting as support, okay, in the morning. So if above that, then only go long. That also I have mentioned it even on the Twitter as well. So again, if that breaks, then we have to think again. And also I mentioned that bank nifty money flow was showing weakness, and also like there was a hidden bullish divergence. Okay, so the hidden bullish divergence was created here, and it acted like as you can see, like the 5 minutes and 15 minutes, what happens is that the shorter the time frame, मतलब short time frame में this can work. Okay, but अगर ये चल जाता है तो it's fine. But in I mean, while you are doing technical analysis in a shorter time frame, so expect a move in a shorter time frame. Okay, so that happened actually, like as you can see from here, it went up. So this update was given, and hidden bullish divergence worked as it was. And then the next updates were like the money flow. So coming down to the money flow, so they did an amazing job today. Talking about our AI money flow here, that is Nifty. As you can see that in the morning, somewhat positiveness was seen in Nifty, and it was also taking support near this. But the major culprit was Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, you can see Bank Nifty scores 944. So it straight away went into the negative zone. And since today we had this bank nifty expiry as well, and what was actually happening is that like bank nifty in the morning also, like even in nifty also, the premiums were squeezed on both the sides. So there was a linear decay on the premiums, and it was not a very good sign for the buyers. But anyways, let's look at here. That is finally, like what happened after that, you saw that bank nifty fell. So bank nifty was straight away clear that, like our AI was clear that Bank Nifty is going to go down. Okay, so the scores were clearly negative. Okay, but here in our Nifty, so the scores were almost neutral. Even I updated this on Twitter as well. But then try to look at here. That is 954. Yes, the score went to negative 25, which is showing weakness. But after that, again slightly neutral, slightly weakness. Okay, but look at here. That is after this, like when 1038, okay, after the score was at negative 19, suddenly jumped to negative 50. So that's where like 1052, if you look at here, that is this. Okay, so just right at this level, 21,981. Okay, and after that saw that Nifty went down by more than like 100 and more than 110 points. So yeah, that's the magic of the AI. So it clearly showed that huge short positions have started building up in Nifty as well. And now talking about another thing, that is the overbought region. So here also I updated on Twitter, that is, as our indicator was suggesting, like 1143, you can see the score is negative 94. So it's an oversold region. Okay, so then you should stop, like if you are a bear, when it goes into its oversold region, so we should stop shorting and see what is coming next. So now the thing is that after that you saw that again market recovered. So just after that market recovered, so after going into its oversold region. So even I updated this also on Twitter. So I hope all my analysis, like if uh, I don't know if they're helping you or not. So if they're helping you, so please do definitely share it among the other traders. And also moreover, I shared this scores live today. So again, so there is no cheating anywhere. So if you want such access to the live money flow indicators, so you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you get access to the money flow indicators, our AI tool to predict the market, to predict basically Nifty and Bank Nifty. And again, you get my trades and analysis on the Telegram channel. So yes, now coming down to also this Valentine's week offer is going on, so please don't miss it if you are willing to opt for it. Anyways, coming down to other analysis, that is yeah, Bank Nifty also somewhat recovered. So from the morning it was clear that both the sides short positions were building up, because both the sides I mean, if you would have calculated the short straddle premium, so there was a linear decay in it, okay, showing that both the sides who have made short straddle, they are like eating the premium in a very nice way. So anyways, talking about our Fin Nifty, it came down to our 20,393 level, and then again tried to recover from there. So let's come down to the main major data, EOD data. Okay, so again, FIIs have sold today, so DIs have not bought. So what are the FIIs thinking? That's very crucial. So talking about our option chain, if you look at here, 0.86, which is suggesting that almost like flat sentiment, I mean, in the option chain. But what is the exactly the FIIs and Propdex data suggesting? And tomorrow also we have our Nifty expiry. So talking about positions, you see that huge like positions have been closed. So I think the big guys are also not very sure that what is going to happen tomorrow. So either a rally or again a consolidation or down move. So why? Because not only the FIIs, even Propdex have closed their position. So I mean, they are almost going like with nil position. So if you look at the February position, okay, so February fresh positions I'm talking about, FIIs. So almost like call writing to nahi hai, matlab all call writing is absolutely not there. Even call buying is also like in negative. So negative means like whatever was made in even January, so those have also been closed. Now talking about put writing also not a huge quantity. Okay, so this is a very minimalistic quantity from the FI side, so they can easily tackle it. Okay, even sometimes I might tell you that 2 to 3 big retailers will have this quantity. Okay, and so now talking about Propdex, if you look at here, that is I mean, again, they have also like they have call writing positions, but again negligible, very negligible. As you can see, a huge quantity has been closed, and also some put writing Propdex are carrying. So option chain, मतलब इन लोग ने मतलब wipe out कर दिया इन लोग का position. So they want to take fresh position tomorrow. So try to understand that, or maybe day after tomorrow, whatever. So they want to take a fresh position in the option chain after hearing tomorrow's result, or maybe tomorrow what is happening. So I mean, as per that, they are going to make fresh positions. But there is a very crucial update on this futures position. So suddenly a huge future short positions have been built up by the FIIs. So what are they thinking? Like why just before, even before budget also they did the same. Okay, so they continued with huge short positions in futures just before the budget, interim budget. But again, they are doing the same thing. So let's see whether they would like succeed or not. But on the other hand, prop decks are making, like, even they made yesterday also they made long positions, as you can see, and today also they made long positions in futures. So prop decks are bullish in the futures, but FIs are bearish in the futures. And so again, it fresh positions have to be like analyzed, and fresh positions हम लोग को देखना पड़ेगा, and then we have to decide, and accordingly we have to trade. But again, try to understand that index management has started, so somehow or the other things will be like managed, and finally like I mean, we might not be like those who are like thinking that we will get a huge bearish down move. So we might not get, but again, try to understand that we have to look at the fresh positions. But for now, if you want to conclude, so it won't be a very good idea to conclude with such less data. Okay, so for now, just some put writing can be seen. Call writing तो मतलब नहीं है ही नहीं, मतलब it's over. Okay, so some put writing can be seen, but again, futures, there is a contradiction between FIs and prop decks. Okay, so yeah, so that's the overall analysis. And again, I would say that I won't conclude anything. So those days where I can say that the final verdict is this, I do say. But today we should wait for the fresh positions tomorrow and see what the results are. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.